The day I met you was the day my heart awakened by your love. It was so special, it was etched deep inside. Will forever cherish, always will remember again and again in my heart. Still can't believe it until now. I still get goosebumps all the time, my dear. I'm still awed by it all, like a dream that was meant for just the two of us. Nothing more to dream on. I have all I've asked for. God, I'm so thankful. I'm content for life. In life from moments to relive, they keep me happy when I'm sad, to keep the balance when the storm passes through. Even if I'm happy, I still make my prayers. That's just how it is in this life. Still can't believe it until now. I still get goosebumps all the time, my dear. I'm still awed by it all, like a dream that was meant for just the two of us. When you reach the rainbow, when you face your maker, be very thankful, yes, for everything